My name is Ben Weiss. I do research and teach on gender, crime, and welfare here at Occidental. My research is on gender-based violence, which is a common problem in the United States, with about a third of women and a quarter of men experiencing some form of sexual or domestic violence during their lives. The federal government, through the Violence Against Women Act, which was first passed in 1994, pays for a lot of formal support services for victims of violence. The money goes towards collaborative programs that bring together nonprofit professionals and grassroots volunteers with law enforcement agencies and healthcare providers. I was interested in the consequences of these sorts of collaborative programs. I spent about 3 years conducting participant observation and interviews in a rape crisis center. I learned that even though kind of formal collaborative programs do give kind of victims access to more services than has ever been possible before, collaboration also introduces some new challenges. All these different groups of people have different ideas about what the problem is and how best to solve it. So, for example, some folks see the problem as a symptom of women's subordination in a patriarchal society. Others see it as a problem of criminality or as a public health crisis. Some want to solve it by overthrowing what they see as a coercive and authoritarian government regime. Others want to solve it by hiring more social workers and creating a tougher criminal legal system. These different visions seem incompatible, and I did at times see conflict between partners. I was struck though by how rare conflict actually was. More often than not, partners work together really effectively. One of the strategies they used to kind of maintain these effective relationships was to pursue their different missions in different times and in different places. For example, a volunteer might joke around with a police officer one day, and then the very next day might call for total police abolition. This flexibility helps rape crisis centers stay kind of really well funded and well staffed, and also helps actors in the anti-gender-based violence movement pursue multiple agendas. They can pursue individual kind of social services and also social transformation at the same time.